Filthy black-souled sluts with pus-filled swords.
Got the gun, no Vaseline. Dirty pig, I'm cold inside you. Ain't the fear, the flash, the scream. You dirty horse, I murder all of you.
This is Bill Stickman reporting. We are interrupting your regularly scheduled program to bring you coverage of a high-speed chase of a carjacking suspect now in progress. We take you now to News Chopper 7 and Tim Barkley as this story unfolds. Tim?
This is Tim Barkley in News Chopper 7, and I have to tell you folks, this chase is really getting dangerous now. The chase has entered a residential area, and this is never good. We've been following this guy for about 10 minutes now, and he is clearly not afraid to put citizens at risk. This shit wrapped in skin obviously doesn't give a shit that there may be children playing in the street or old ladies out for a walk. Oh, this may be it, folks. The son of a bitch has entered a cul-de-sac. This may be over now. Hang on, he might... Oh, he made it out. Yes, he made it past the police. Unbelievable. This chase will continue.
Oh, come on, kill this shitbag and get back to the concert.
It looks like this waste of food is turning down Maple Street now. Very dangerous, folks. Speeds up to 80 miles an hour. Oh, he just missed that woman walking with her kid. This is totally out of control. Someone's going to get killed. Folks, I have to tell you, this chase has got to end soon. This is extremely dangerous for anyone unaware of what is happening. Whoa, the police just missed a pig maneuver. That was really close. He's turning onto Old Pine Court now. What just happened? This looks bad, folks. He has struck a tree, but I thought I saw blood spray the inside of his car before that happened. Oh, this is something straight out of Stick Death, folks. A gruesome scene. Police are approaching cautiously. Put the fucking concert back on!
Tim, it appears that this chase is over. Is that correct?
Yes, we have a mess down here, Bill. Police are still sorting things out. Oh, what is this? There's a guy with a sign down there. What does it say? Hang on. Put the concert back on. And is that a gun he's holding?